Hello everyone, today we'll learn taking backup and restore, configuring backup and restore in router. Now let us start with Cisco Packet Tracer. We'll take routers and one server. Let us connect. We can even take one router. Let us start with first. Okay. Sure, we'll take two routers. No issues. Click. Let us give two ports to it, okay? Switch it on. This one, 2T. Switch it off. Okay, now connect it with serial DCE port cable. Okay, now let us start. Give this TFTP server an IP. We'll take 50.2. Then default gateway. We'll give of this router. .1 and we done. Now here this is 50.2, right? So this will be 50.1. This is FA0/0. Configure this. No. Enable. Configure int FA0/0 IP address. That's 50.1. Subnet mask. No shut to activate the port. Exit. Now let us start with this. This is serial int SE0/1/0 IP address. That will be 60.1. Subnet mask. No shut to activate the port. Exit. After that, here it is, CLI. No. Enable. Configure int SE. Let us check it again. It's 0/1/0. IP address will be 60.2. Subnet mask. No shut to activate the port. Then exit. Now let us start. First we'll verify the current configuration. Now first let us give the host name to both the routers. Host name Vashi for one. We'll give it Thane. No issues. Change it over here for your convenience. Whatever you like. Okay, now we're done. Jump back. Now exit from the configure mode. Now start. First we'll see the running config. Okay. Okay. After that, now we'll see the stored configuration. Stored, we have stored nothing till yet, so we won't check it. I would like to tell you the stored configuration will be checked by show startup config. Okay. So now copy running config, startup config, enter. Destination file name startup config. By default it will take. Okay. So now we'll jump to this, copying the configuration to TFTP server. Now whatever we have done, we have to configure this. We have to copy this configuration to a TFTP server. Okay. So let us give the command copy running config TFTP. Okay. Now here address or name of a remote host. Here you'll give the IP address of our TFTP server. If you don't remember, just check it out here. Its IP address is 50.2. Okay. Now just enter it, 50.2. No need to give it subnet mask here, guys. So now destination file name, by default it will take. Okay. So it has taken. Now we'll restore the configuration. Okay. We are done with our copy. Now we'll restore it. Here, copy TFTP. Listen carefully, guys. While copying the configuration to server, we use the command copy running config startup config. Now, while restoring the configuration, we'll use the command copy TFTP running config. Okay. Then address or name of the remote host, that is IP address of your TFTP server. Then our source file. Guys, do not forget to check your source file over here. Yeah. While it asks source file and you have to enter it, just click to our TFTP server, services, TFTP. See, the file you saved recently will be here on the top. Okay, so right on the top we have here Vashi C-CONFG. So now enter our file name Vashi-CONFG. Okay, as it is we have to write, guys. So now destination file name, it will take by default. Okay, so accessing TFTP Vashi config. Loading. Okay, so we are done. Now one more thing I would like to tell, how to erase the configuration. It's simple as copying and restoring is. Just give command erase startup config, then enter. Confirm. See, it will ask erasing the NVRAM file system will remove all configuration files. It will remove all configuration files. Do you want to continue? Confirm. Yes. So erase of NVRAM complete. Now just reload our device. Proceed with reload. Confirm. Yes, confirm. So guys, let us check. See, all ports are down as we have reloaded our device. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this practical. Do like my videos and do comment for your queries, and do not forget to subscribe my channel SNC. Thank you. See you again.